Have you heard of Agent Neo?
Neo.
Neo?
Neo?
Agent Neo?
If you aren't Neo, then who am I?
Agent Neo just leveled up. Neo can now generate videos and instantly embed them into websites, slides, or anywhere you need. In this example, we asked Neo to create a 3D, immersive, Matrix-style exhibition hall. Neo got to work, broke down the task, researched the storyline, generated reference images, created the video, and built an interactive 3D website you can explore like stepping into a video game or a digital archive. Need changes? Tell Neo. Neo adapts in real time. This is Agent Neo, the one who gets it done.